In this video, I'm going to show you on how to get better outputs from your AI. But first, I think people should know what to do to get it to be better. And I don't mean better puppet, I mean people should learn on how to use AI better and not just a generic answer machine or a generic copy and paste machine. Because if you do that, humans will be dumber. And as a race, we shouldn't be doing that. We should be enhancing ourselves with it. What I mean by this is, let's say you're doing a report for a boss or for a teacher, and you ask for a report about the topic, and you hand it in. Do you learn anything? No, you do not. But you can say, I am going on instructions A, B, C. Am I correct? And it can come back and say, no, you're not correct with A and C. Here's why. Or person can ask, like, help me understand this better for an essay. It will help you understand the topic better, and you learn something new, and you can get a much better quality output from it. What I mean by this is my rating's not good at all. I use AI to assist me with my rating, just general rating. I don't mean anything special, like emails, text messages, so on and so forth. So I use that in that way, but I ask it to use it, keep my voice or to fix the errors, and sometimes only do that. Because if I say fix the errors, it can make up new stuff for me. I don't want that. I just want my rating to be better. So I ask it to keep my voice and just fix the errors. It will do that. Just fix the errors and keep my voice. But if my ideas are all over the place, which you were earlier today, which is February 19th for 2026 for future benefits, but I was all over the place with my thoughts. I asked it to, what can you clean this up and make more sense about this, and it did. So that's another way of you using AI and getting better outputs. But for me to show you the demo that I'm going to be showing you today, I want to turn over to my desktop, and I'm going to use ChatGPT and custom instructions for this demo. Anyway, see you in a second. Welcome back with my desktop. At the top, you can see you need to go to chatgpt.com, and you get this showing up. And after you put in a message, in this case, I put in, who am I? It gives me a very generic answer, because at this point, I turn off the features that I want to show you in a moment, but it doesn't know me from Joe or Jane or any other human being. So they give me a very generic answer, which is fine. I only gave it who I am, and it has to draw from the sources that it knows. So after how you change that, you can go to the bottom corner that I have in square in red, and that's your profile. After you click that, you can go to personalization, and a window will pop up that says personalization. From here, you can update your preferences. Like if you really want to, you can go change the tone and the style, how warm it is, how the fact is, how heard and listened, how much emojis you want, and so on. But we're interested in custom instructions. So when you get here, you can put in what you want to say in this box that I have the arrow pointed to, and when you can scroll down even more, and it will say about you. You can put your name, what occupation, and any more about you. Like for me, I like keep stuff short and sweet. Sometimes, other times I don't. But that's another video. Anyway, you can fill those out as you wish. And you go to memories, and this is a built-in memory feature where you don't have to have it, don't have to always tell it who you are, what you're trying to do, so on and so forth. So I have that turned off because if I have it turned on, it knows me, and that would not be a very good demo. But I'll show you after I turn it on and fill out my custom instructions a little bit. I'll show you the difference. Anyway, if you want to have event features, by all means, you can turn them on or turn them off. I have them all on. I think there is benefit to have it all on, especially for people who are learning disabled or have dyslexia. Voice enabled is a good feature because you can have it talk back to you with a click of a button. No other software needed. And that includes the free plan. So it's very helpful. Anyway, moving on. So after I updated my instructions, it has given me this output. You can pause it and read it. Basically, it knows who I am, what I'm trying to do, so on and so forth. And like I said, you can pause it and read it. But what I have changed is went back to where I was and updated it for my custom instructions and my nickname. And again, you can pause this if you want to copy it. By all means, you can. But anyway, you can do that, fill it out. There is other instructions you can put in. I just use it for this is for this demonstration, but you can put in your nickname, whatever you want to call yourself. Instructions like you can take out the in dashes. You can ask for longer outputs. You can ask for shorter outputs. You can ask to talk like a 5-year-old, so on and so forth. I can cover you if people want me to cover more styles of custom instructions. Please leave them please leave a comment saying I want to know more about custom instructions in the comments. And this leads me to ask you to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you find it helpful, again, share it and like it. It will greatly help me grow this channel. And I think it's important to do this because I'm showing new people how to use AI, and also people who are neurodivergent or think differently. So if you can help me spread the word, that'd be great. Anyway, back to what I was trying to show you. Like I said, I filled out my custom instructions and put in my name, and also I have turned on my memory. I don't have a screenshot for that, but if I go over to the internet and go to my personalizations, I have turned on the memories. So it knows who I am, what I'm trying to achieve, so on and so forth. When I turn them off, I can do that right now. It's very quick, and I can put in who am I. It should give me at times it gives me 2 options, but as you can see, it gives me a very basic instructions. It knows my name because I told it my name, but beyond that, it's kind of generic. Both answers are very generic. So when memories turn on, it knows who I am, what I'm trying to do. When memories turned off, it knows my name, and I'm trying to make a YouTube video and demonstration. So that's the difference. So if you are using ChatGPT for a while and you do not have that turned on, I would recommend you turn on. If you're new, I would recommend you to turn on so you get better outputs. And over time, it will learn about you. There is other software that I can show you that gives you more context availability, but this is the most accessible that I know of that you can do today and for very low cost. Almost actually you can do it for free. I do have a paid plan, but there's no paid barrier here for this kind of making it better for you to get better outputs. You just need to know about the feature and know how to use it. And I think I covered that well, but again, if you want to have more examples on what you can put into your custom instructions, please put in, I want to know more about custom instructions, and I can make a video about that. Anyway, I want to head over back to myself on my talking head bed to close it out. So as you can see, it can be very straightforward, or you can be very complex on how you get better outputs. But I hope this is a very beginner-friendly and very neurodivergent friendly demonstration on how you do this. Again, if you want to know more, just leave a comment and say, I want to know more. And if you know anyone who needs to see this or wants to see this, please share it. It helps the channel grow more from what you think. And with all that being said, have a great day. Bye.